You know, in my experience dealing with clients, I think that anxiety after an accident is a lot more common than the medical records of our clients will actually reflect. Because I think too many people are sort of willing to accept their anxiety and not relate it to their doctor. But anxiety can be mild. I mean, you can have mild anxiety, concern, anxiousness about an accident or thinking about it or having heart palpitations, for instance. But many times, anxiety becomes a lot more serious. Many people lose the ability, quite frankly, to get into a car at all, or to get into a car in traffic and drive, or even be a passenger in the car. I was with a client once who was involved in a serious accident. We were driving in traffic. When a car simply pulled up next to us in traffic, my client almost crawled over into the driver's seat trying to avoid the person that was coming up. And this wasn't a near miss or anything. So when someone has a severe reaction because of an accident like this, it can actually be a form of post-traumatic stress. And obviously, when it gets into that level, this is something that needs to be discussed with a doctor. Well, quite frankly, all of these symptoms need to be discussed with your doctor, because it doesn't matter if you're suffering these things if they're not reflected in your medical records in terms of having a value or affecting what your case may be worth. So make sure these are described to your doctor, and make sure that certainly in the most serious cases that this post-traumatic stress or serious stress reaction is being diagnosed, treated, and your quality of life is actually being returned so that you can do the things that you need to do and have enjoyed doing in the past.